Hey everybody, Jeff Bromley here from Thingee, and welcome back to Tech Talk, where we talk about all things digital. Today we're going to talk about new technology rollout, and we're going to look at a case study of one of the recent tech rollouts that Thingee has completed for one of our clients. So recently we rolled out a new program to one of our clients that they had a number of IoT buttons that they were going to install into HCP offices. So this was going to allow the HCPs to notify the reps if they had a question. But before we rolled out and trained the reps, we had to solve some specialized hotel Wi-Fi issues that prohibited us from configuring the IoT buttons on their network. We came in the night before, we did all of our normal testing and making sure that everything was going to work properly. But we found out that the way that they have this hotel Wi-Fi, which is maintaining multiple Wi-Fi networks, this program wouldn't work. So with some quick thinkings, a quick run to a local electronics store, and some process tweaks, we were able to have a successful rollout, and the reps are now raving about how this is being received by HCPs. Now, this wasn't our first rollout that we had to overcome technology adversity. Years of experience helped us fix this with ease and grace. So there's a couple key takeaways that I want to instill you guys with. Number one is brand new technology. With all new technologies, there's always going to be growing pains. It's never perfect, and to think that it's going to be perfect is naive. So we have to realize that the first iPhone that came out wasn't perfect. The first version of Word that came out wasn't perfect. The first version of Mac OS that came out wasn't perfect. There's a reason why we're on Mac OS number 11. So these things have matured over time, and they've had to take time for these companies to fix them. So with that, we've gone through the first version, we're going through this iterative process, and we're making changes. And we made changes on the fly to be able to roll this out to the field force. So I guess my question to you is, who are you guys going to surround yourself with if you're going to be rolling out new tech, which you are going to be rolling out new tech? And the other takeaway I have is make sure that you surround yourself with people with the right experience to help you overcome those technology gotchas. So for this time with Tech Talk, I'm Jeff Bromley. Thanks.